Shillong is a hill station in the northeastern part of India and is the capital of Meghalaya. Shillong means the Abode of Clouds. It is the headquarters of the East Khasi Hills district. It is the 330th most populous city in India with a population of 143,229 according to the 2011 census. It is said that the rolling hills around the town reminded the British of Scotland. Hence, they would also refer to as the Scotland of the East. Shillong has steadily grown in size and it was made the civil station of Khasi and Janta Hills in 1864 by the British. In 1874, on the formation of Assam as the Chief Commissioner's province, it was chosen as the headquarters of the new administration because of the convenient location between the Brahmaputra and Suma valleys, and more so because the climate in Shillong was much cooler than tropical India. Shillong remained the capital of undivided Assam until the creation of the new state Meghalaya on 21st January 1972, when Shillong became the capital of Meghalaya and Assam moved its capital to Dispur, Guwahati. Shillong is just 100 km from Guwahati, which can be accessed by road along National Highway 40, a journey of about 2 hours 30 minutes through lush green hills and the Umiam Lake in between. Shillong was capital for composite Assam during the British regime and later till a separate state of Meghalaya was formed. David Scott, the British civil servant of the East India Company, was the agent of the Governor General of the Northeast Frontier. During the First Anglo-Burmese War, the British authorities felt the need for a road to connect Sylhet and Assam. The route was to traverse across the Khasi and Janta Hills. David Scott overcame the difficulties in his administration faced from the opposition. Shillong was also the subject of the great earthquake that occurred on 12th June Impressed
1897,
by the
the
favorable
earthquake had
cool
an
climate of Khasi
estimate
Hills,
magnitude of
they negotiated
8.1.
with the
27
Shillong of
lives from
Sohra
Shillong town
in
alone
1829
were lost,
for
and the
a
major part of the
sanatorium for the
town was
British.
destroyed.
Thus
For more
began
information
the
about Shillong and to know
consolidation of
about the
British
places of
interest
interest
in
over
Khasi.
there, please read the description of the video. As of now, let's enjoy the beauty of Northeast India from 30,000 feet.
शिलोंग में आपका स्वागत है। आप अपने मोबाइल फोन्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। अगर आपकी अगली फ्लाइट दूसरे टर्मिनल से है तो कृपया साइन बोर्ड का इस्तेमाल करें। वेबसाइट के लिए हमारे ग्राहकों से संपर्क करें। We have reached in Shillong. If your connecting flight is in different terminal, kindly follow the signage and follow the assistance approach your ground. Thank you.